Are you doing fine? Comfort Talk is here for you. In this segment, we are going to talk about a certain topic, exchanging ideas that you can relate to, and giving some advices that will be beneficial to our listeners or our viewers.
Comfort Talk is here for you. Let's now start our talk. In this episode, we are talking about how to forgive someone.
Are you a forgiving person? Are you one of those people who are easily to forgive?
Or maybe you are having a hard time to forgive them.
Either you are the forgiving one or not.
This video is for you. How to forgive someone? Sa tingin mo ba may steps to forgive that person? So, partner, what do you think about it? Ikaw ba ay forgiving person or not?
Okay, so to answer that, I think neutral ako. I can be the forgiving one. Maybe I'm having a hard time to forgive also. Depende sa kasalanan ng tao. How about you?
Okay. Well, for me, I can say na ako yung tao na mahirap magpatawad because depende rin sa ginawa niyang kasalanan, di ba? Nakadepende lang naman doon. Na for example, sobrang gaan lang naman yung ginawa niyang kasalanan. Why not forgive them easily? For example, nabasag niya lang yung baso, 'di ba? Wag naman magtanim ng sama ng loob for that. Another one which is parang nag-lie sa'yo. For example, you have partner and then he lied to you or he cheated. And I think for me mahirap magpatawad. I haven't experienced being cheated pero I think mahirap magpatawad pag cheat yung
Nabasag or nabasag na yung tiwala.
True ka dyan.
Okay, so yeah, I think it's also hard to forgive someone if sobrang laki ng kasalanan niya. So yes, I think I agree with what you've said, partner. So yes, for example, yung sabi mo nga yung baso. So yung baso lang naman, for example, yung kapatid mo, nakabasag ng baso, alangan na magtanim ka ng galit for in lifetime, 'di ba? Lifetime na galit ako sa'yo kasi nabasag mo yung baso ko, nabasag mo yung tasa.
True. Depende na lang kung may sentimental value
yung baso, yes. So, do you think may steps ba to forgive someone? So, I think depende sa tao yun kung may steps siya to forgive someone. Parang wala na, tingin mo meron ba steps to forgive someone?
I think wala din naman step to forgive someone. It's just forgiving someone is hard. Alam natin yan. Lalo na pag mahirap yung ginawa niyang kasalanan. I know it's hard.
I think mahirap sagutin if may steps to forgive someone. Wala namang step 1, okay, ganito gagawin mo, step 2. So, I think it's really hard.
I think nasa puso mo naman yun, di ba? Na feeling mo pag ready ka na mag-forgive sa kanya, then you're ready. Wala naman need na steps. You just need yourself na maging ready na i-forgive that person.
Okay, for speaking in that ready, gawa ng kasalanan sa'yo, kailangan ba nila mag-sorry sa'yo?
I think, para sa akin, na if that person gumawa ng kasalanan sa akin, I think, of course, he or she needs to say sorry. Because that's part of the forgiving na part, di ba? He needs to say sorry. Yes.
What if hindi siya nag-sorry? So, it means hindi mo na siya pinatawad?
Yes, he needs to say sorry first. Sorry.
What if, kasi may mga ibang tao na akala nila, hindi mistake yon, right? May mga ibang tao na hindi sila naghihingi ng sorry kasi why should I say sorry if hindi naman sa akin yon? Wala namang kasalanan, bakit ako magsasorry? So parang gano'n.
Okay,
so do you think sample for anong bang scenario yung pwede? Okay, yung your boyfriend. Okay, your boyfriend or yes, nagkipag-chat siya sa best friend niya. May girl best friend siya. Pero parang nagpo-flirt sila. O ganon, nagpo-flirt sila. And para sa ikaw, nagselos ka kasi parang tingin mo, nag-cheat siya. Pero yung boyfriend mo, sabi niya, hindi naman, friend lang naman siya. Bakit ako magsasorry? Bakit kita susuyuin? Parang ganon.
So, I think that part, kailangan ko nang i-inform si boy na, parang nagselos ako kanina.
Okay.
Nakipag-chat ka pala kay Kwan, ganito. So, first, you need to approach that person. Right? Hindi ka naman pwedeng magagalit-galitan lang na na without any reason, 'di ba? So you also need to approach yung partner mo. Hindi lang yung instinct lang. Yes.
Okay, yes. So, yes, yan communication. Din din yun. Yeah,
Communication,
communicate.
yes.
Communicate.
Communication is very important.
Yes.
You need also to express yung mga saloobin mo.
Yes.
Hindi mo lang dapat kinikimkim na galit ka sa taong ito. Yes. So, you need to inform that person na gumawa siya ng kasalanan. Okay, so let's move on naman about sa partner love life
Yes,
na yan. So,
okay.
let's move on about friendship. So, partner, have you ever forgive a friend or someone na may gumawa ng kasalanan sa'yo?
In what way? Ano ba? Yung kasalanan ba niya is ina-admit ba niya na kasalanan niya or hindi? What if
Hindi niya in-admit na kasalanan niya, but
para sa
alam
akin.
yes,
I
para sa'yo is kasalanan yun.
Okay. Parang na
Like,
ano?
parang yung previous kanina, hindi siya aware.
Okay, hindi siya aware.
Uh-huh.
Siguro yun yung sabi nila na yung sometimes forgiveness is hindi na kahit hindi na siya maghumingi ng tawad, parang patawarin mo na lang din siya. Okay, kasi baka yung person na yun hindi siya aware. Pero pag hindi masyadong mabigat yung mistake niya is okay, patawarin na lang kahit hindi niya nalaman na ay mistake pala yung ginawa ko. So forgive na lang. So I think ganun na lang.
Yes.
Forgive na lang siya. Kasi or kung uulitin naman niya doon, i-acknowledge mo na, okay, I feel hurt of what you said. So, I think, pero may iba din kasi, di ba, na hindi nagsasorry.
Oo.
Ayaw, mahirap.
May ganun na iba. And sometimes, nasashy ka rin na mag-approach na ginawa niya yung ganito. Because feeling mo, sobrang gaan lang naman yung problem and you just made
Yes.
palipasin na lang.
Oo.
And then, after that, after some time, magpapas na yung problem and then go back together again. Hindi naman go back together. Na maging okay.
Maging friend
Yes.
ulit. Hang out together. For example, kung if you used to hang out,
Like, just pass the problem. And then, everything
move
will
on.
go
Oh,
back.
yeah,
Yes,
move
move
on. So,
on.
yun, na-forgive mo na. Kahit walang nagsorryhan, walang, okay, I forgive.
Yes.
Okay, I sorry. Okay, I forgive you. Wala nang ganun. So, sometimes forgiveness it's not really vocal. Hindi dapat kailangan na vocal siya.
Okay.
Parang deep inside, okay, I forgive to tong taong to kahit hindi ko na sinabi, kahit hindi niya inadmit, lalo yung part na hindi niya inadmit na may kasalanan siya, sinabi niya, okay, I admit that I made a mistake, so I say sorry. May mga ganun kasi, di ba talaga na, parang hindi naman sila aware, walang sorry sa vocabulary nila. And meron ding mga ibang tao na walang, okay, I forgive you sa vocabulary na parang, for example, tayo, we had a fight. Noon, we are going out together, pero may 1 month, 2 months, hindi na nag-uusap, hindi na lumalabas. Tapos, then after 2 months, 3 months, for example, like that, is nagkasama ulit. Meaning, yun na yan, na-forgive na yung isa-isa. Kahit walang say sorry, walang I forgive you. So, yes.
Yes. I get your, what you want to say, partner.
Yes.
Na forgiveness is not always saying the word sorry or like what you've said, na being vocal.
I-close na natin yung friendship. So, di ba may mga friendship na, may mga magkakaibigan na hindi nagsasabi ng sorry, I forgive you. So, close na natin. Let's move on to family.
Yes,
Okay.
let's move on to
Di ba may
family,
mga,
partner.
ano naman yung mga pamilya, may mga, for example, ikaw nagkasala ka sa parents mo or vice versa. So, do you say sorry to your parents?
Well, for me,
Or do you, okay, baliktad pala kasi yung topic na ni forgiving. So, for example, yung gumawa sila ng, they hurt your feelings. So,
do they say sorry?
and do you forgive them?
Actually, they don't say sorry. Yes, I think that's the reality. Maybe some parents say sorry, yes. But for me, they don't say sorry. And parang if they hurt my feelings, I just do is keep my mouth silent and I don't talk to them. Then until
the next day,
the next day that
okay na.
sila yung magto-talk sa akin. And everything will go smoothly again.
Yes.
Without
Continue.
Yes, continue the life, move on. So, we don't actually say the word sorry.
And also, I forgive you.
And,
parang ganun.
yes,
Parang action na lang. Yun talaga.
Yes,
hindi,
action na lang.
Yung, for example,
thing na
nagasto nila yung tuition mo. Yun, example
Oo,
na lang
partner.
natin. Gasto nila yung tuition mo. At kailangan. Okay. kailangan na kailangan mo yun. Paano, saan ka kukuha? So, for example, from your part-time job yun, di ba? For example, mga ganun. Tapos, hindi nila na, so, nagkaroon sila ng kasalanan doon kasi it's for your tuition fee. Tapos, yun, paano mo, hindi naman ata nasasabi niyang, okay, I forgive you, di ba? Parang,
hindi
parang
naman.
dun sa, hindi talaga vocal to say sorry and also to forgive someone. Parang, feel mo na lang, okay, I forgive them, okay na kami. Ganun na lang talaga. Parang same lang din sa friendship, I
Yes,
think.
actually same lang din kasi kung sa love life naman kasi iba 'yun. Parang yung
Yeah.
partner mo he needs to say sorry, 'di ba?
Oo, lalo pag sa babae.
Para na sa babae kasi we all know na iba rin naman kasi yung feeling na pag nag-say siya ng sorry. Let's go back to the above family.
Yes.
So, hindi sila masyadong nagsisi ng sorry, pero pag nagkausap na kayo, parang walang
Okay
nangyari.
na. Yeah.
Na,
Forgive na yun. Parang ngayon.
forgive na yun.
Parang kalimutan na lang yung
kalimutan
problem
na
and
lang.
then move on, continue the life. Yun yung sabi mo kanina. To sum it up, so how to forgive someone? Actually, it depends on of each of us. We have our own differences. We have our own ways to forgive. And most of the time, it's not vocal. We often say the word, I forgive you. It's more on action and feeling at the same time.
Yes, partner. So, forgiveness, it seems like na it's a challenging to do. Yes, a challenging thing to do. Because forgive someone, medyo mahirap rin mag-forgive.
And forget.
Yes, forgive and forget. So, regardless of whether it is big or small, so after you forgive that person, after you forgive, you feel yourself na parang proud ka rin, parang nabunutan ka ng tinik pag if you forgive someone. So, I think life must go on. Yeah, just move on and then continue with your life.
Yes, and we are not against sa mga taong hindi nagpapatawad. Yes, we have our own differences, ika nga. So, if may mga nagkasala sa inyo and hindi nyo pa napapatawad ngayon, it's okay. It's
It takes time.
yes, you i-validate mo yung own feelings mo. So, may sarili kang opinion bakit hindi mo siya napapatawad. At dun naman sa mga taong easy lang sa kanila mag-forgive, and yes, it's also valid. Valid din yung feelings mo bakit pinatawad mo agad kahit mabigat yun. So, we have, yun nga, differences. So, we
have own opinions about
Yes.
forgiveness.
So, how to forgive someone? It really depends on you. That's it for our video for today.
So, goodbye everyone. See you on our next video.
Yeah, goodbye. Bye.
Goodbye. Stay safe.